How to fix Snapchat ban. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option guys, you have to search now for Snapchat here. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, then you have to back, click on first stop and click also OK, and now go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel to see another videos.